said kakalaka boom, but my name is Baba, no it's kakabaka boo. Stop it this second, you all know my name. Alright, we are sorry, we will correctly try to say Kababaka kakaba, kakabaka pukala. Shut up, I've heard enough. Kakabaka bakaka, fakfakjata kakaba. If you won't stop, I will use my power. What will you do? What is your plan? If you were a superhero, you would be Kakaman. That's it, I've heard enough. Time for 100% power. We are sorry, Baba, I am sorry, brother. I'll send you to heaven if you call me Kaka. Alright, Kaka, I will call you Kaka. Like and subscribe to Turner into a llama. What did you just...
Ma'am, hello po.
Ano yan?
Baka hindi po ako makapasok bukas. Opo.
Ay, bakit?
Ay, kasi ma'am, magtatay po ako bukas
Ay, paano mo nalaman na magtatay ka bukas ha? In advance
Ay,
mo
ito
na?
ma'am, parinig ko po sa inyo.
Ay,
Ayun
grabe
po,
ang
ma'am.
tunog na. Oo, sige na, magka na pumasok bukas.
Diba? Opo, sige po ma'am. Thank
Sige
you
na,
po.
sige na.
Besan tayo, tara.